4 different perspectives seek to explain how language is a uniquely human ability, namely the nativist, behaviorist, social, and cognitive perspectives. Noam Chomsky, who had nativist views, theorized that a language acquisition device in the brain accounted for humans' intrinsic ability to grasp language concepts. Some biological mechanisms proposed by the nativist view are universal grammar and semantic bootstrapping. Universal grammar refers to how verbs and nouns are found in all languages globally. The brain also seems to naturally recognize noun and verb categories, which is referred to as semantic bootstrapping. The nativist idea of the language acquisition device is supported by the fact that a decade of non-exposure to language has been shown to severely affect language acquisition in children. The behaviorist perspective suggests that learned contingencies and external reinforcements drive language learning behaviors. Infants are conditioned by those external reinforcements like parental engagement and the parent's facial expressions that the infant would naturally want to see more of, and therefore increase their own engagement in conversations to elicit more of that response from their parents. However, you may notice that children don't seem to follow the exact syntax and word usages as their parents, like grammatical errors, overextensions, and underextensions. These instances provide evidence against the behaviorist theory. The social perspective emphasizes social factors that enable a child to learn a language. Observing and engaging with others in conversation helps a child acquire language. Another perspective points to cognitive mechanisms behind language learning. Consistently expressed linguistic structures can be learned and predicted by children, enabling them to understand vocabulary and grammar with the aid of their growing memory capacities. This is called the cognitive perspective. Williams syndrome, however, contrasts with this particular perspective since diagnosed individuals have a lower cognitive capacity in terms of lower IQ scores, but do exhibit proficient linguistic skill. With little support from adult language users, children nevertheless readily learn and express language from a young age, with increasing accuracy. These 4 perspectives point to the multifaceted experience of language learning in humans.